In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Gmail. This is a quick professional way to respect your recipient's preferences and keep your messages compliant with common email standards. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in just a few minutes. Start by opening Gmail on your computer or in a browser. And create a new message. You can click Compose to bring up a blank email. Add your usual subject and body like you normally would. For this walkthrough, the key area we're focusing on is the bottom of your message, where people naturally look for options like unsubscribe. At the end of your email, type a short, clear line such as unsubscribe or opt out. Keep it visible and straightforward, no tiny fonts or hidden text. You can also write a brief sentence, like, "If you no longer wish to receive these emails, click unsubscribe below," followed by the word unsubscribe. The goal is to make the option easy to find and understand without cluttering your message. Next, turn that text into a clickable link with your mouse. Highlight the word or phrase you just typed. Look for the insert link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain link. Click it. Then paste your unsubscribe URL into the field that appears. This URL should take recipients to a page or form where they can remove themselves from your list. Or it could trigger an automated unsubscribe process provided by your email service. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS for a secure, professional experience. If you are using an email marketing platform, copy the specific unsubscribe link it generates for your list and paste it here. Before you send anything, test the link right inside your draft. Click the linked unsubscribe text and confirm it opens the correct page or action. If it doesn't, go back, edit the link, and paste the correct URL. Testing now prevents confusion later and helps you avoid broken links in your recipients' inboxes. Once the link opens the right destination and everything looks good, your unsubscribe option is ready to go. You can finish your email, send it to your intended recipients, and feel confident that you've provided a clear, respectful way for people to opt out if they choose. That's all there is to it: clean, simple, and effective. If this helped, feel free to bookmark it for future emails so you can add the unsubscribe link quickly every time. Thanks for watching.